Sometimes when we want to remove the black background of white designs with complicated edges and brush strokes, even if we do it right, but some pixels remain at the edges of the design. Due to this, the background of our design is not removed properly and other color pixels remain, such as black. In one such a problem I came across a few days ago. My boss gave me a design and asked me to remove the background and make it ready for t-shirt print. And the design was a JPG on a black background. So I have tried many ways, but the black pixels at the edges remains. Let's see one of them. So at first duplicate the layer, then use the magic eraser tool as we always do for background remove. Click on the background color and like this. But even the black pixels are not completely removed. Look at this. So many black pixels are over there. When we put it on another white background, a lot of black pixels are still visible then, and this method is not done properly. So then we will do another method. This is with color range, so that's why first select, go to select, then go to color range, then select the background color with the eyedropper, then press OK. After that the whole design is selected except the background color. Simply press the delete. This removes the black background, but the black pixels in the design remain as before. This method also did not work. You can see there is so many black pixels over there. So now let's show the original method by which I solved my problem 100% properly. For this, at first I delete all the layers and make duplicate only the design layer and keeping one as a backup layer, and select other layer with the marquee tool. Then I made a layer mask on the layer. Then go to menu bar, image to adjust, then make it invert. After that hold Alt key, click on mask. So you can see the artwork is with the black color. Then select the mask and go to menu bar, edit, paste special, then paste in place. Now click on the main layer and go to paint bucket tool. Then put any color in the foreground and press with paint bucket tool. The design will come out in the color as seen in red. Let's make it red color, the foreground, then press it on the artwork so it will look like red design without any background. And let's do again with white color. Make the foreground color white and press on the artwork with paint bucket tool. So have a look. The design is totally white without any black color background. So let's test with a white background below. Notice that not a single black pixel is visible. The design layer is at the top and the bottom layer is white background layer. so no black pixel can be found when zooming on the edges also. So there is no one single pixel of black color. So I think this method is works well. This is the best method. So what do you think? Just comment me, and if you have any question, if you have any query, just let me know on the comment. Thank you so much. Bye.